Data visualization will give you many insights that unstructured data will not give you. And there are lots of Python libraries which will deal with data visualization. And learning and implementing this library will also help you to boost your career as a data scientist. Hey guys, welcome to Code Wrestling, and in this video we will tell you about the top 10 data visualization library using Python. Let's get started with the first one, which is MATPLOTLIB. MATPLOTLIB is the most popular data visualization library of Python, and this is a 2D plotting library. It is the most widely used library for plotting in Python community and is more than a decade old. It comes with an interactive environment across platforms. MATPLOTLIB can be used in Python script, IPython shells, the Jupyter notebook, and in web application servers. It is a very versatile visualization library. With this library, with just a few lines of code, one can generate plots, bars, charts, histograms, power spectra, stem plot, scatter plot, error chart, pie chart, and many more. The PyPlot module provides a MATLAB-like interface, particularly when combined with IPython. MATPLOTLIB will support HTML5 for web application also. The second library in my list is Plotly. Plotly is a web-based toolkit to form data visualization. Plotly can be accessed from a Python notebook and has a great API. With unique functionalities such as dendrograms and 3D chart, it has visualization like scatter plot, line chart, bar chart, error bars, box plot, histograms, multiple access, subplot, and many others. It contains a great API including one for Python. It also has contour plots, something which is not very common in other libraries. The third library in my list is GGPLOT. GGPLOT is a Python implementation for the grammar of graphics on R programming language. It is a system for declaratively creating graphics based on the grammar of graphics and is most commonly integrated with Python. GGPLOT method is not designed for creating highly customized graphics. The fourth library in my list is SEABORN. The Python data visualization library of SEABORN is a library based on MATPLOTLIB. It provides a much more effective API for creating KDE environment. It provides a high-level interface for drawing attractive and informative statistical graphics. It is tightly integrated with PyData stack, including support for NumPy and Pandas data structure. SEABORN aims to make visualization a central part of exploring and understanding data. Its dataset-oriented plotting function operate on data frames and arrays containing whole dataset and internally perform the necessary semantic mapping and statistical aggregation to produce informative plots. The fifth library in my list is BOKEH. This library's strength lies in the ability to create interactive web-ready plots which can be easily output as JSON object, HTML document, or an interactive web application. This library also supports streaming and real-time data. This library provides three interfaces with varying level of control to accommodate different user types. The highest level is for creating charts quickly. It includes method for creating common charts such as bar plots, box plot, and histograms. The middle level has the same specialty like MATPLOTLIB and allows you to control the basic building block of each chart. The lowest level is geared towards developer and software engineers. It has no preset default and requires you to define every element of the chart. The sixth library in my list is PYGAL. PYGAL offers interactive plots that can be embedded in the web browser. Its prime differentiator is the ability to output chart as SVGs. As long as you are working with smaller dataset, SVGs will be just fine. But if you are working and making chart with hundreds of thousands of data points, it will be a trouble on rendering that data using PYGAL. The next in my list is GEOPLOTLIB. This is a toolbox for creating maps and plotting geographical data. You can use it to create a variety of map type like heat map and dot density maps. You must have PYGAL installed to use GEOPLOTLIB. Most Python data visualization library do not offer maps. It's nice to have a library dedicated only for maps. The eighth library in my list is GLEAM. GLEAM allows you to turn analysis into interactive web application using only Python script. So you don't have to know any other language like HTML, CSS or JavaScript. GLEAM work with any Python data visualization library. Once you have created a plot, you can build field on the top of it so user can filter and sort data. The next data visualization library in my list is MISSINGNO. Dealing with the missing data is a pain. MISSINGNO allows you to quickly access the completeness of a dataset with visual summary. Instead of checking through a table, you can filter and sort data based on completion or spot correlation with a heat map. The last data visualization library of Python in my list is ALTAIR. The Python library of ALTAIR is a statistical visualization library and has a simple API. A declarative library needs only to mention the links between the data column to the encoding channels, and the rest plotting is handled automatically. This simple library produces an effective visualization with a minimal amount of code. The source of ALTAIR is also available on GitHub. Thanks for watching video till the end. You can also check out other video on our channel which will deal with projects and algorithm on machine learning. Thank you and happy learning.